everybody. We're here actually super early. It's actually cold today, so Sean, you can actually say it's cold right now.
It's freezing cold outside today, guys.
It is actually cold today.
It's like 50 degrees, maybe 40.
Look, you can see my breath. But yeah, we got everything loaded up. About ready to go. We got the fuel. We got the
fuel. There's no fuel shortage when there's drifting happening.
Yep, no fuel shortage. So we're about getting ready to go.
All right, boys, we're here. We're at the Rock.
Yep.
Just got registered.
And it's tight.
Driving under the track right now.
Hopefully we fit.
Give her some gas. Let's hear it. Power stroke, baby. Power stroking, baby. All right, boys, she's recording. Hey, straighten your wheel. That's what I was saying.
We did it.
You gonna drive in the bay? Yeah. All right, I'll follow you.
We made it.
Who's competing today? Okay.
Thank y'all for coming. Thank everyone who came, but yeah, we like putting on a show, so we appreciate everyone. And if anyone's on the fence, you think you're not competing, think about it. Everybody's going to be running open qualifying. Even if you're not competing, you're still open practice, open qualifying, same kind of thing. So get seat time out there, and if you decide you want to compete, let us know. We do have to have that 225 width maximum tire to be able to compete for our grassroots series. We're going to do unlimited stuff later when we can get that all organized. But this is the grassroots series where 225 is the limiting factor on that. So think about it. If you
So we just did a few runs. I pretty much just said fuck it and just sent it, no practice. So I'm just did a couple donuts, and then I'm slowly learning how to control the drift. I've had a few. At first I wasn't giving it enough power and I looked like a complete fool. Then I had one really good one. Hopefully the footage is pretty good. Sean's ADG's kicking in, but then after that I've been giving it too much gas on the initiation, so I've been spinning out. So I need to find that sweet spot, and I think we'll be pretty good. I just called my buddy Batia. You've seen him in a few of my last videos, just to ask him for some advice. So he pretty much coached me a little bit, so we're gonna let the car cool off for a little bit and go right back into it. Tires are still looking good, and we still have a shit ton of other sets left after, so should be a good day. through the 360 footage and some of the other stuff. I started off real bad, then I'm learning the car, learning how to do it a little bit, and now I'm actually pretty comfortable doing it. Hopefully the 360 cam footage is pretty good, but I'm really comfortable and I'm enjoying it. It's a great time. I even let Sean whip the car once and he was fucking having a blast too. So
I didn't crash it, I didn't break it, so it's a success.
yeah, so far so good. You can see the rear bumper's not on there, kind of fell off, but it's all good. All right, so I'm here with one of the event coordinators, Marshall, right?
Yep, I'm Marshall from MB Drift.
And yep, just like you said, MB Drift, that's the event we're at today. They do like an event like every month, right? Pretty much, grassroots drifting. And I just wanted to say thank you. Yep. But yep, I just wanted to say thank you to Marshall and the team for having me out here. I think I've gotten a lot better from the first time I drove out here not knowing anything on how to drift at all to kind of linking, being able to at least drift that back part because I feel like I'm more comfortable like going left and right. But yeah, you want to say anything about MB Drift and everything you guys do?
Yeah, man, I'm glad you had a good time.
Yeah.
That's what we're all about. Fun time where you get out and rowdy cars coming through. But yeah, so we want to, get everybody in the seat as much as possible. Make sure you have a good time, having a good experience on and off track, and have camaraderie amongst one another, and help each other out, build each other up. We're not, really competing. Even in competition, we want to just support each other, have a good time, make friendships we can share our videos and things online.
I definitely saw that out there. Even in the competition, everybody's really friendly. Nobody's like trying to fight or shoot each other like when I went to the dig or die, like no prep drag strip. Those guys are always trying to fight each other over some money. It's like completely different atmosphere. But yeah, thank you for holding these events, for giving me that opportunity to get out here, get some seat time for the first time. And I look forward to coming back again.
Heck yeah.
Yep, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you. And yeah, for those y'all watching on the video here, check out MB Drift if you get a chance. Come out and have a good time with us. We like to put on a fun atmosphere. And MB Drift Series on Facebook, and then mbdrift.com is our Facebook.
Everything
website.
will be linked down below. Facebook, Instagram, I'll put it all down below so you guys can go ahead and follow if you're in that North Carolina area. North Carolina and South Carolina, I know you guys do like Myrtle Beach too.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I'll link it down below, and hopefully everybody can get a chance to get out there and get some seat time. Great event. Thank you again so much.
Come out and shred.
Yeah. All right, always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Red out.